When I first moved here, I didn't know anybody. I just had my family, and that was it. I met my girlfriend because I would still go out and have a couple drinks and chit chat with people. And then eventually I realized, I don't know, I don't have a community here, I don't have friends here. I'd like to develop them, but then it kind of gets weird, and then I'm trying to do things in my life, and I'm a certain type of person who's very creative and wants to have entrepreneurial endeavors and wants to talk about ideas and just different, not just go to the bar. That's the difference. I want to make progress in life. This is how I live my life. So it's really tough to meet people like that. And recently I've met a few people, and one of them is this great guy, now a friend, and I'm going to be working with him. And we're going to be able to talk about everything going forward and have a really great relationship where we both are able to give each other something that's really great. So he'll be talking me through things, and then we'll talk through his, and it's going to be really ideal. And I recently just actually this morning released a course I made on making friends in real life, and it's a really great course. It's friggin' unbelievable. I'll link a thing in the chat. But when I was in New York, I really learned how to network and talk to people online or in real life. And this is a lot of the things I learned, and I'm using the same exact lessons in that course in my own life again. And I just wasn't willing to put in the effort at the time, past couple of years. So now I am, and now the course is free for you. So if you are interested in making more friends, because it will change your life, and find somebody who suits you and knowing how to act, not being awkward and weird and everything like that, this is a really, really powerful course. I'm really proud of it. I put a lot of time into it. I didn't want to short any of it. I went through every single part of it thoroughly to make sure I wasn't missing anything. It's solid, and it's great because I'm also doing it again. And that's why I'm releasing it now. It was just kind of on a shelf in the back collecting dust. So I just wanted to let you guys know that course is now on my main channel in the courses tab. So yeah, that's what's up right now. Make sure you check out that course. Peace.